right, guys, so I am here at this place called Mainstream Market, and it's basically a truck stop that has a grocery store. And I've been trying to make it out here and check this place out for a long time. I'm dressed in slides, and you know, people are out here in their cowboy shit, man. So we're gonna check it out, man, and see what they got going here and keep you up to date. Bye. Guys, so we are back in the rig, man, ready to get back on the road, head to Dallas. And yeah, so I've been wanting to stop at that little truck stop slash market for a while, and I was not expecting them to have all the shit that they had there, bro. That was pretty fucking trippy. It was a bit overpriced. It was weird because the clothes, they had clothes there, which I definitely did not expect to see. But that was cheap as shit, dude. I got some Houston, Texas shirts for like $7. Can't fucking beat that. And then I got a few of those. But the food was a little overpriced. I ain't even gonna lie. But what can you do when you're on the road? You know, you gotta expect it and shit. People don't understand how fucking expensive it is to live out here on the road. They think that it's all, you know, gravy out here, cheap. And it's not. It's definitely expensive to live out here on the road. But that was pretty cool, man. They have two of those on the I-20. You guys ever see it? It's called Main Street Market. And yeah, dude, they had freaking home renovation shit. They had automotive section. They had a food court. They had it all, man. That was pretty crazy. But yeah. About to do a couple more miles, a couple more hours, and then shut it down for the night. And yeah, Truckin' Matt here, boy. Back in Texas, man. It's a lot. It's actually crazy being back here, and there's no ice and snow, man. Last time I ran this 20 corridor, it was a shit show, man. I was stuck for. It was a 2.5 day run from. Stockton, California to Dallas. I did it in 2 days, 2.5 days. It took me 6-7 days. I was out here for a whole week. Had to get a hotel. You know, it was pretty trippy, man. But we survived, and now we're back at it. So, holla at your boy.